How to search for different IPVanish VPN locations/servers on Android. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step processes on how to search for IPVanish VPN servers in different countries, and/or cities around the world and connect to them through our Android application. We have used the IPVanish application installed on Android 6.0 for the following demonstration. VPN Location Search Guide. 1. Log into the IPVanish app by entering your IPVanish username and password and tapping on the login button. 2. To begin your search for different VPN locations, tap the server option on the hamburger menu on the left side of your app screen. 3. Tap on the magnifying glass in the top right. 4. Type your preferred city in the search box and the city will be listed below the box. Here we ran a search for Seattle. To view a list of individual servers to connect to in that city, here it is Seattle, tap the round bubble with the number 40 in it. 5. Tap on a server from the list of servers and you will be connected to your preferred server. If you need any further assistance, please contact IPVanish support team.